Yes, good morning, children. In my last class, we have done exercise 10.1. Today, we shall do exercise 10.2. Okay. Some of you are confused about, you have rang me also, some of you, about exercise 9.3. Okay, is that the practical problem? You can do it in the book, no problem. It is for you only. Okay. I forgot to give the homework. Okay, I have not given that homework, but you can do it for practice. I have left for you. Okay, so today we shall discuss. Okay, in that exercise also in 9.3, if you have confusion, you can ring me up. No problem. Okay, and clear the confusion. You can ask the question. No problem. Okay, now today we'll discuss this exercise 10.2. Okay, simplify. Okay, simplify. 6, the first question is 6 whole 1 by 2, 10 whole 5 by 8 and plus 4, 3 by 4. Okay, how to add these fractions? First of all, what we have to do? First of all, you have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, mixed fraction to improper fraction. This is the question is given in mixed fraction 6 whole 1 by 2, 10 whole 5 by 8 and 3 by 4. This is not a mixed fraction. So first of all, the first method I am discussing. One more method is there. I'll discuss it later on. So see this one. What you have to do, you have to multiply these two numbers, that is denominator with the whole number and then add with the numerator. These two will be multiplied and this will be added. Okay, remember that. So 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 2. 10 8 is a 80 plus 5, 85 by 8. Then 3 by 4. After that, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. 2, 8 and 4. Okay, 2, 8 and 4. You have learned or you know how to take the LCM in standard 4. You have learned it. So 2, 8 and 4, take the process. Divisor will be taken, okay, at your choice, so that at least two numbers should be divided. Okay, so I have taken 2 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, then again 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So write the LCM at first. Written the LCM. After that, what you have to do? Divide the LCM with the denominator. Divide the LCM with the denominator. After that, whatever the result we get, multiply that result with the numerator. That is the process. Once again, I am repeating. Divide the LCM by the denominator. Whatever we get after division, that will be multiplied with the numerator. Remember that. Okay. So 8 is divided by 2, we get 4. And 4 into 13 is 52. 4 13s are 52. Then 8 is divided by 8 is 1. And 1 is multiplied with 85, that will be 85. Then 8 divided by 4 is 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now you add all these 52, 85 and 6. I have added, I have done rough for you. Okay. Rough work has been done. 52, 85 and 6. Added together, we are getting 143. So 143 is written here. And then 8 divided by 8. So when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, when this one is bigger than this, we divide it and to convert it into the mixed fraction. So 143 is divided by 8. Division also I have shown here. Okay. So the answer is 17. Remainder is 7. And we have divided by 4. This way we have to write 17 whole number 7 by 8. Okay. 17 whole number 7 by 8. This whole, this by this. You have to remember this. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Okay. Now I shall do question number 3. Question number 3 is 9 whole 1 by 2 plus 6 whole 3 by 4 plus 14 whole 5 by 6 plus 8 whole number 2 by 3. Okay. Okay, children, this question I do using another method. Okay, you should know more than one method also. Okay, so see what is the second method to solve it. Second method is, first of all, you add the whole numbers 9, 6, 14 and 8. Okay, add the whole numbers separately, that is 9 plus 6 plus 14 plus 8. Okay, add these together, 9 plus 6 plus 14 plus 8, and separately you add the fractions 1 by 2, 3 by 4, okay, 5 by 6 and 2 by 3 together. So here 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6, 5 by 6 and 2 by 3. Okay, now add this together, 9 plus 6 plus 14 plus 8. What will be the result? 37. Plus, now what you have to do here? You have to take LCM. 2, 4, 6, 3. What will be the LCM? 2, 4, 6, 3. LCM will be 12. Okay. Now same process. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 1 is 6. Plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 3 is a 9. Plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 5 is a 10. Plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 2 is 8. Now 37 plus, add this together, 6 plus 9 plus 10 plus 8. How much is coming? 33. 33 by 12. Here also, see, numerator is bigger than denominator. Okay. Before that, we can cancel it together also. See, 37, you can make it smaller. Here we can write 33 can be written as 3 into 11 and 12 can be written as 3 into 4. So when we get common factor, those common factors can be cancelled. Now it is 11 by 4 only, 7 plus 11 by 4. If we divide 11 by 4, how much we are getting? 11 by 4, what? 4 to 8, 311. So this will become 2 whole number, 2 4 is 8 plus 311, 11 by 4. So 2 whole number, 3 by 4. Okay, this way. So it is 37 plus 2 whole number, 3 by 4. Okay, now this is also a whole number. We can add this whole number with 37. 37 plus 2 plus 3 by 4. So 37 plus 2 is 39 whole number 3 by 4. That is the answer. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. You understood? Very well. Okay. Now pause this video to note it down. Now I'll do question number 7. This is actually subtraction, a different type of question. Question is 56 by 30 minus 1 whole number 2 by 50. Okay. Here one mixed fraction is there and one improper fraction. Okay. So what is already done? Improper fraction. so no need to disturb it. Now this mixed fraction will be converted into improper fraction. 15 1 is 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 by 15. What will be the LCM? Here LCM will be 30. 30 divided by 30 is 1. 1 into 56, that is 56 minus 50. 30 divided by 15 is 2. 2 into 17, 34. Well, 34, 56 minus 34 is what? 22. Okay, 22 by 30. Again, we can, this common factor, I think common factor, both are even number. So, some common factors should be there. 11, 22 can be written as 2 into 11. Here 2 into 15. Common factor will be cancelled. So, the answer is what? 11 by 15. This is the answer. Okay. Now pause the video to note it down. Okay. Pause it to note it down. The next question I will do is 12. Question number 12. See. Before solving this question, I want to share you that the answer is given in the book at the back. Okay, that is wrong. It is given 6 whole something by something. Okay, so whole number is not there. Either the question is wrong or the answer is wrong. Okay, so I am solving the question according to the question given in the book. Okay, answer will be different. Whole number will not be there. Okay, remember that. Well, maybe okay, most of you will be confused. That's why I am telling you the clear thing. Question is, particularly I am solving this question for that purpose only, so that you don't confuse. Question is 6 whole numbers, 7 by 9 plus 4 whole number, 2 by 5 minus 7 whole number, 4 by 15 minus 3 whole number 1 by 3. Okay. Now the same process, convert into improper fraction, mixed fraction to improper fraction. 6 9 ja 54 plus 7. 54 plus 7 is 61. 61 by 9 plus it will be 22 by 5 minus this will be 105 plus 4 is 109. So 109. 109 by 15 minus 3 3 is a 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Take the LCM. What will be the LCM? The LCM will be 45. Okay, you can find out the LCM. Answer will be 45. Here it will 45 will be divided by 9 is what? 5. 5 into 61, 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. Okay, 305. It will be plus, it will be 198. Then minus 327 minus 45 divided by 3 is 15. 15 into 10, 150. Okay. Now here the question. Remember that same sign addition before 305, which sign is there? Nothing is there. Nothing means plus. Okay, remember that. So these two numbers will be added together. So 305 plus 198, when these two will be added together, the answer will be 305. Okay. 503 minus these two also have the same sign, 327 and 150. Both the numbers have the same sign, that is negative sign, minus. So we shall add together 327 and 150. Okay, negative number is there, but we have to add. So what will be the answer? Adding together, this will be 477. Okay, 477 here. 477. LCM is 45. Now this is sorry, this one is 503. I have written down here. This is 503, 503. So 503 minus 477. Okay, 503 minus 477. Subtracting together, we are getting 26 by 45. Okay, 26 by 45. Once again, try to remember this same sign addition. When these two numbers are added together, why we have added together? Because they have the same sign. Adding these numbers together, we are getting 477. Okay, and earlier also I have discussed the sign will be according to the bigger number. Which one is bigger? This one is bigger. So before this number, which sign is there? Minus. So minus I have written. Okay. So same sign addition, and actually when we do the subtraction, we have to write subtraction sign. Okay. That's the process. For your convenience, I have discussed it in my last class that according to the bigger. Remember one thing, for your convenience, I have told that sign will be written according to the bigger number. Here bigger is number is for any addition and subtraction both. You have to follow the rule according to the bigger number. You have to follow the sign, you have to give the sign according to the bigger number. So 327 is bigger, so I have written minus. Okay. So 20, so now we have subtracted. Here it is plus. In front of 503, which sign is there? Positive sign is there. In front of 477, negative sign is there. So plus, minus, minus, subtraction, and bigger number to smaller number. Here 503 is bigger number. So I have written or not written, no problem. Plus sign is there. Plus, no sign means plus sign. So answer is 26 by 47. Okay. So note it down. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today, children. You solve those questions. If you have any confusion, you can ring me up. I have given the numbers once again. Again, I am writing the mobile number here also. Okay, this is my Jio number, and one more number is BSNL number also. Okay, first one is Jio number, second one is BSNL 9973787541. Okay. Okay, thank you, children.